Despite government's attempt to quell the violence which erupted in the state from May 3rd, 28 individuals are still reportedly missing, presumed kidnapped and murdered by armed militants. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren said the same in response to the star question raised by Kangabok MLA Surjukumar Okram during the last day of the assembly session today. According to reports, there were altogether 63 missing cases. He disclosed and said that out of these set cases, 26 individuals were discovered dead, while 9 were located alive. He reiterated that 28 individuals are still missing till date. He maintained that the government are making necessary efforts to locate the missing individuals. He further said that despite measures made, the security forces are facing difficulties owing to challenging terrains of the state's interior areas. Biren further went on to say that as many as 1,555 people, including 1,429 civilians, 98 police personnel and 28 central forces were injured in the conflict. He also added that 334 individuals suffered gunshot blast injuries. Meanwhile, MLA Surjukumar also raised a supplementary question asking the Chief Minister what measures are taken by the state government to provide medical assistance to those injured. Responding to which, Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren assured that the government is extending necessary assistance to the injured persons under CMHD and PMJY schemes. He further urged the public to approach the government on the same.